Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the belt retainer in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 5/16" nut driver, an adjustable wrench, an 11/16" socket wrench, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new belt retainer. The belt retainer helps to keep the belt on the motor pulley. The main reason why the belt retainer would need to be replaced is if it gets damaged by the belt, causing the belt to constantly come off. We need to start with opening the door and lifting the top panel. Insert the putty knife into the seam under the top and push in the locking clip, one on each side. Lift the top and put it against the wall or on some kind of support. Using the small flat blade screwdriver, disconnect the wire harness plug. With the 5/16" nut driver, remove the two top screws, one on each side. Tilt the front panel slightly back, pull it up to remove it from the mounting clips at the bottom. To remove the front bulkhead, disconnect the two moisture sensor wires. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, take out two screws at the bottom, two screws on the sides, and loosen up two screws at the top. Pull the bulkhead up and remove it from the top screws. Reach underneath the drum, push the other pulley arm towards the motor, and release the drive belt. And now remove the drum from the cabinet. Using the 11/16" socket wrench and the adjustable wrench, unscrew the motor pulley. Rotate the wrench clockwise. The pulley should be turned clockwise, looking from the far end of the shaft. And using the small flat blade screwdriver, remove the belt retainer. This is the old belt retainer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the belt retainer on the motor shaft. Push it on as far as it can go. Install the motor pulley on the shaft. Turn it manually counterclockwise, looking from the far end of the motor shaft. Then tighten it using both the socket wrench and the adjustable wrench. Now we need to install the drum and the belt. Take the drive belt, wrap it around the drum, right about the dark spot here from the belt, and make sure that the rib side is facing the drum. And carry it inside the cabinet. Install the drum on the rear support rollers. Slowly turn it to make sure it's on correctly. Pull down on the belt with one hand and place it under the idler pulley. Push the idler pulley all the way towards the motor with the other hand and place the loop on the motor pulley. Turn the drum at least one complete turn to make sure the belt is on correctly. Now we need to install the front bulkhead. Place the drum over the lip, lift the bulkhead up slightly and hang it on the two top screws. Tighten the top 2 screws and install the 4 5/16" screws at the bottom. Connect the moisture sensor wires with the black one on the top. Lift the front panel up and install it on the bottom mounting clips. Push the front panel forward and secure it with the 2 5/16" screws. Connect the wire harness plug. Lower down the top panel and push it down to lock. Then close the door. Plug the dryer back in and stop hang drying your laundry all over the house. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.